Let's be honest, it's easy to get lost in fancy tools and effects when you start 3D animation. But guess what? Lighting and storytelling are what make your scenes truly epic or forgettable. Poor lighting turns even the coolest model into a flat mess, while a good story keeps your audience watching. Beginners often add too much, wild camera moves, every effect they can find, and loads of props. But that just makes scenes messy and hard to follow. Instead, focus on lighting basics, like three-point lighting, to make your work pop. And always ask, who is my character and what do they want? When every movement points back to the story, viewers care. Keep effects simple. Use them only if they add something real. Want to stand out in the world of animation? Start with strong light, a clear story, and only the essentials in your scene. Cut the clutter and let your animation shine for real. Give it a try and see just how much stronger your work feels. Please like and subscribe to 3dartschool.org. Thanks for watching.